Make delicious tofu tikka with just a scan in LG Wi-Fi enabled Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select tofu tikka from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app and follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Mix all the ingredients of marinade in a bowl. Now add the tofu pieces, capsicum, onion, tomato and mix well. Keep this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now keep the tikka on a tawa. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Now keep the tawa on a low rack inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, turn over the side and drizzle some oil. Keep the tawa inside the microwave oven again. Press start. When the microwave oven beeps again, turn over the tikka again. Keep the tawa inside the microwave oven and press start. Your delicious tofu tikka made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven is ready to be served. Enjoy! Follow these simple steps to operate Scan to Cook microwave oven.